Hi, my name is KAVYA SRI. I'm from Guntur. I have completed my graduation in the stream of information technology. I joined in Jspiders in August with the course of full stack with Python. Coming to my trainers, for SQL, Divya ma'am, for web, Nandita ma'am and Satyam sir, for Python, Ayush sir. They helped me a lot I learned coding and all in Jspiders only. By then they teach in a understandable way, so that I learn so much, and mock interviews, grooming sessions and presentations will help me a lot. I improve my communication skills. I perform well in interviews because of those only, and HRs are very friendly way. They add in requirements, and due to that friendly way I contacted them easily, and that's why I got placed in the role of integration developer with a package of 3 LPA. Thank you, my students.